Hello friends and potential friends. With the situation going on in our country right now, I noticed that a lot of people are posting videos on some of the projects that they're doing. And I've seen a number of water catchment projects. A lot of them using these IBC Totes. Well, I just wanted to pass along a little bit of information. I've been using this particular tote for 3 or 4 years now. And when I put it together, I really didn't know what I was doing. I don't have a first flush diverter, although I know how to make one now. I just use screens to catch the garbage that comes off the roof. You can see that I did paint the tank black, but that was a few years ago, and over time that black paint flakes off, and then you start getting algae in the tank. I did see a comment recently where someone suggested taking the tank out of the cage, wrapping the tank in black plastic, and then putting it back in the cage. I may try that out the next time I take this thing apart. As you can see, I left the water gauge unpainted so I could tell how much water I've got. And right at the moment, I'm a little bit over 175 gallons. And it's been pretty dry here in Florida, so I'm happy to have that much. I think we have a 20% chance of rain today, so hopefully I'll get a little bit more. What I really want to talk about is this valve down here. Now, I learned the hard way that this valve that comes with the tote is not meant for continuous use. These totes are meant to deliver liquids, and then generally once they get delivered, they get drained out of the tote. The tote gets sold to one of us poor suckers, and they go on about their business. This valve is really a one-piece injected plastic. It's got the handle, it's got a plastic shaft that goes down into the housing, and then inside there is the ball valve, all one piece. Well, when I started using this thing, after about 3 months of use, using this valve to turn it on and off, the plastic that goes down into the ball twisted off, and I drained about 200 gallons of water out onto the ground. So when you set one of these things up, set this original valve so it's fully open, and then install a second valve of some sort that you can use to control the water. That way you're not going to be draining your tank accidentally like I did. Been working like this for 2 or 3 years now, and it works good. But that original valve, that's no good. It's not going to last very long if you keep trying to turn it on and off. So I hope this helps somebody out. Everybody's doing projects right now. Learn from my mistakes so that you don't have to repeat them. I'll see you on the next video.